Now, wow, things they really happen. You get one 18-year-old boy. They talk say this boy don't defile one 4-year-old girl. This one will happen for here, for Adamawa, for Nigeria. Every day, bad things they happen for Nigeria. Children of nowadays, 18-year-old boy, we suppose they go school. All your mind, now how to rape pikin, now in the inside your mind. Ha! This boy, where they call Ayuba Hamza. Now be this boy name. They talk say this boy take advantage of this small pikin in the sense where be say they say this small girl parents no dey together again. That means the papa and the mama they don't fight. So this small girl now they can't carry this pikin say making con they stay with him grandma as it be say this man and this woman no go fit take care of these children again. Now there this small pikin they stay with this grandma and no know where grandma self go to go every day. Where be say this boy. This Hamza of a boy go dey rape this pikin, and they talk say no be even the first time. Where they catch this boy talk say no be the first time, no be even in second time, and no be in third time. When don't they follow this girl they sleep? You know even the 4 years old. This girl supposed to be like your younger sister, your small sister. Oh. Now you can't decide say now only her. Now in the way when they follow sleep. Now what for people? All these small children now where they born and don't know the kind soul, the kind devil where they groom them. Because the way where they react, the way where they behave, you go they wonder say if not so they just like maybe another thing. Now they push them to they behave like this. Now this boy they don't catch him and they don't already carry this small pikin self go hospital, go they do test for her. If say no say this grandmama self catch this boy now, nobody go know as this thing they happen. They talk say this grandmama come out. That means this boy even get the vim. He go they sleep with this girl inside in grandmama house. Say grandmama come out before she go come back and see this boy there on top of this 4-year-old girl. Now their grandmama come start to they shout. Now their neighbors come run, come outside, come go call police where they come arrest this boy. You know what they oversweet me? Say this boy don't even reach 18 years. Yes, so that they go arrest him. He go know as they be. Hausa people, as you know say this thing don't the hungry you do at that age. 18, why you not go find 18-year-old girl thing? Go they follow. Now 4 years, what do you want even enjoy for that place? Because you show me say this small pikin go dey cry. Now make it a good parents make na the day together, make na the monitor on a pikin. If say na one pikin where they sharp, I be one pikin where we say in mama they notice and where. If you dey bath this pikin, you go know say something they worry this pikin. But especially if you say better the grandmama self not even to get her time like that. Grandmama go her own place, leave pikin for house. Now make this kind of things they happen. Even some children self, train your children, make your pikin they sharp. Forget say you go to talk say this pikin too bad, it too do this one. Sometimes they good. You go see some pikin, if somebody touch them. All this ajebota pikin, they don't talk. Mommy, somebody touched my VJJ. But this one now, aboki pikin, he not talk anything. He just leave her. Maybe you don't even know what to be this VJJ say for in language. So you don't even know say want to explain to your mama say, this brother don't they follow and they sleep. I mean this brother don't they touch her. Now wow, but as it be like this, the commissioner of police, what do they call him? Aliyu Adamu, don't tell all the DPOs. Say anybody where they catch, where they commit this kind of crime, may they arrest them. Because this thing they happen well, it just be say people know the fit talk. You go even see adults where be say they don't even follow them sleep from small. But because of say fear, maybe this brother go tell and say, if you talk this, I will kill you. The pikin no go great talk. But as it be like this, police don't give order, they don't drop order. Say anybody where they catch, Hausa people, not Adamawa people, if they catch on her, na jailo, I don't know how many times. Yeah, I can't even surprise. I'm surprised for this kind of matter. Say this boy na their neighbor. So all these times where this boy they enter this people's house, it means say this boy gets intention. And you know how many children this boy go down to do this kind of thing for? Where they never catch him. If not this one now, will come outside, when he can use his mouth, even talk, say, he agree, saying do him. All the remaining children where they compound, and I know what thing go don't do for them. As the matter be like this, now here I go end them. Anything where you feel about this Adamuba, what be name, what you do, making a write down for the comment section. As they take pen now, making a write, and also parents, some parents, their children don't go through these kind of things. Some self, they don't even feel use their mouth to talk them out. Even their own husband, now they do this kind of thing for their own pikin. But to voice out, they go they fear, say, how they go disgrace their husband for outside. But as it be like, if something go do your pikin, this kind of small pikin now, you should go get one kind of infection. Later now for the future, you can't talk say, this pikin get HIV, and I don't know as it take carry on. Now from all these kind of things, where we say, children know they fit talk. And this pikin, you know, see a small pikin. 4 years. What does she know? She no fit talk anything now. So even if she know say this thing they do her, she no go fit talk. Now make parents suppose they watch their children wella. Sit down, monitor your pikin, advise your pikin, educate them. Make them know all these kind of things. So that by the time we one brother go they do one for them, they go fit tell you, open their mouth. They no go even they fear say if they tell their mama go beat them. They go boldly face now, tell on them. As it be, now here I go end this matter. Make now no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.